Hi kids, welcome back to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. Today we're going to draw a cute pumpkin, which you can turn into a jack-o'-lantern by adding a little face. So pause as you need and let's get started. First thing I need you to do is just draw a circle, but draw light till it's right because you're going to need to be doing some erasing. Draw a diamond shape near the top. This is where your stem is going to come from. Notice it's thick, gets a little thinner. And this is very important. All your lines are going to come from your stem and come out, making that nice curve. Make sure you're not doing your lines straight up and down. Instead, they're curving out to the side. And then everything is coming from the stem itself. So now I can connect it and it will look like almost a bunch of ovals all together. But this is why you're going to draw light till it's right, because you're going to need to erase those lines. So I'm working my way around the pumpkin, doing those curving lines that all start and come out of the stem. Now it's time to color. But we're going to do a little bit of shading in this. So I want you to think of a sunshine up in the corner of your page. And then every little section of your pumpkin, the side closest to the sunshine and those sunbeams, are going to be the lightest part. So you're going to pick your lightest color and color that first. So you're identifying where the lightest parts are before you put down the dark. Now let's move to the stem, applying the same principle of where we put the lighter shades and where we put the darker shades. I have a feeling you're getting an idea of where to put your shading. So let's move on to the leaf, draw that line out first, and then draw the outside of your leaf. Once you color it in with the light color, you know where the light's coming from. And now you know where to put the dark colors of your leaf. You can add a little curly cue, just for fun, 1 or 2. And now add the dark part of the leaf, the back side, and maybe the line down the middle. Now we have a wonderfully shaded pumpkin. So you can draw a little ground underneath, adding different greens as well, if that's a color you choose. So if you want to keep going and turn your pumpkin into a jack-o'-lantern, draw 2 triangles for the eyes. Draw a slightly smaller upside-down triangle for the nose. For the mouth, I'll add 1 little tooth at the top and 1 tooth at the bottom. If you've already filled in your pumpkin with color, then take a black color to fill in your eyes, nose, and mouth. But wait to color until this next step to show you one more thing. We're going to add a little more dimension to the pumpkin's face. So see what I'm doing with the eyes, adding an extra line in there, and the nose. And then down in the mouth along the bottom, you can see I am adding another edge to the pumpkin's face. And that's a wrap. This guy looks great. Thank you for drawing with me today. If you liked the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come do more videos with me.